Hi, my name is Bryan with matrix number 65578. Now I'm going to talk about the reason of the invention for autonomous car. First, the reason will be safety concern. Many people die in car accidents every year. The invention of autonomous car can greatly reduce the accident rates. Because the software in autonomous car can prove to be less error-prone than human. Thus, autonomous car is considered as safer than regular car. The second reason will be equity. Autonomous car is a gift for disabled people and those people who cannot drive a car themselves. It has a big positive influences for people who don't own a convenient transport. It is also a solution to people who could afford a car but do not know how to drive a car and have transportation needs daily. The third reason will be environmental issues. Our Mother Earth is dying. In order to save our Mother Earth from dying, we need to use autonomous car. Regular car uses gasoline. It emits a lot of harmful substances that will damage our environment. But autonomous car uses electricity to power, thus can significantly lower down the transportation emissions. Last, the job opportunity. Autonomous car can increase the job opportunity for society. Based on a report by Rennick 2018, in January 2018 alone, job opportunity has been increased 27% because of autonomous car. An autonomous car can potentially create job opportunity in following industries: OEM suppliers, automobile dealers, transportation sectors, entertainment and marketing sectors, semiconduction and battery sectors, lastly, telecom and data management. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Iz'aan Fahmi bin Badrusam with the metric number of 64952. I will be explaining my part on what software logic and hardware are needed to allow these cars to drive without hitting pedestrians or other vehicles. Self-driving cars are only possible today due to the creations of these new technologies such as IoT sensors, IoT connectivity, and software algorithms. So first, IoT sensors. Integrated cars with sensors will be able to recognize and also communicate with upgraded road signs, markings, and through a network of cameras. The majority of accidents happen are due to human errors, and these errors can be reduced through IoT sensors. Next is IoT connectivity. Self-driving cars use cloud computing to act upon traffic data, maps, adjacent cars, weather, and surface conditions, among others. This helps them monitor their surroundings better at all times. Lastly is software algorithms. With the incorporation of sensor data processing in an ECU in a car, it is necessary to enhance the utilization of machine learning to complete tasks given by the user. That is all for me. Thank you.
My name is Pui Wee Yaw, matrix number 67508. So now I'm going to talk about how are there any moral issues for autonomous vehicle and how to solve the remaining issues in making autonomous vehicles. So the issues are moral issues where AI cannot cope with sudden change situation because decision cannot be made immediately because they need time to actually process what the sensors are seeing, because simulations are based on what scenarios the creators can think of, and one cannot predict what will happen on the real roads, because even when there's a real human being driving a car, if suddenly there's a dog passing by the road, or suddenly a human is rushing crossing the road, so if the human cannot react immediately, uh, accidents will happen too. This is also the same when it comes to AI. So another problem is data, where an autonomous vehicle generates approximately 30 terabytes of raw data for 8 hours of driving, for an average 8 hours of driving. So the problem here is there will be trillions and trillions of data that will flow around the server and the cloud. So the solution to this problem is Collaborative Intelligent Transportation System, which is CITDS. This system does not require the assistance of network operator. It just trades data among autonomous vehicle and road infrastructure with peer-to-peer solution. And another solution is Bayesian probability, where this probability uses probability to represent unpredictability, and this can reduce safety concerns in autonomous vehicle. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Chang Lee Loi, metric number 65622. I will talk about what legislation had to be passed to allow autonomous vehicle on the road. First, autonomous vehicle licensing and registration are essential to determine whether the autonomous vehicle is suitable to be on the road. For example, the automated driver system law should include licensing ADS entity and test its operator. The ADS law should also include register and establish proof of financial responsibility requirement in the form of surety or self-insurance. Next, review traffic law and regulation as it may affect the operation of autonomous vehicle. Things that need to be reviewed include vehicle code, applicable traffic law, and similar items to determine whether it will affect the testing and deployment of autonomous vehicles on road. Last, provide reporting and communication method for public safety officials.